Hi, my name is Michael Morales, and this is my final semester project for EST 106, Section 30. So here we have my digital portfolio, and when you first get here, this is going to be the landing page or home page that you land on. We have a small introduction, and as well as a photo, and then we have a blurb of information that's going to tell you exactly what's going to be happening in this website and what you can find here. We have it in two formats. One is a small sentence and one is a paragraph, and this is because a lot of times people don't want to read through so much words and they want to get to the point, and so you have both options for what is needed. Then we have the contact me, which has my email and my social media, which we'll get into in a little bit. If we click here on my resume, it's just my resume embedded onto my site. It is a PDF, so it cannot be altered. And if you click here, it's going to take you to the link, which takes you to the actual file, which is hosted on Google Drive and is public for everyone to see. If you go to my projects and activities, it's going to highlight some of the projects and activities that I've done that are really important to my brand and to my career goals. Here we have the summer that I spent in Seoul, South Korea, where I did an internship at Konkuk University. Here we have a project I worked on. This is called the Course Site Generator. You input some raw information, and it's going to spit out HTML files, and it'll give you a website for your course if you're a teacher. And then here we have the Kipling bookstore. This is a project that I worked on specifically to showcase my knowledge of database management systems. And if you go to the About page, it's going to have a small photo as well as a small blurb on who I am, what I'm looking for, and highlighting some other important information, such as that I was a winner at a hackathon. And then we have my extracurricular activities. Here we have a volunteer thing that I do in partnership with PS75 and Stop and Shop, where we are able to host a free lunch for the less fortunate. I am QPR, Red Watch Band, and Green Dot trained, which is 3 of the important trainings here offered at Stony Brook University. One of my hobbies includes videography, especially using my drone, and here I embedded some footage that I had taken when I had originally started working with it and learning all about shooting video, especially aerial. Recently I volunteered for the Biden-Harris campaign, and I aided in contacting voters in swing states like Florida and Texas, and just encouraging people to get out there and get their voice heard. And at the bottom, you see a photo of my local church group. And I've been a part of this group since high school, and we've worked on many opportunities of volunteering and outreach programs. And if we look here at my social media, here we have my LinkedIn page. My LinkedIn page has, again, a small about information, the connections that I have, and all that information, as well as similar to my resume, but with a little more information as I have more room for that. If we click on my GitHub, this is important for computer science majors specifically. You can see some of the projects that I've worked on, and they have detailed explanations on exactly what was done in them and all that information. So that's really good for me as a computer science major. We also have my Facebook. It's a standard Facebook. I do try to keep everything very minimal on my Facebook. I'm not very active, and it is very presentable and appropriate for my digital profile. I also have my YouTube, my LinkedIn, and my Instagram and my Twitter, but they're all just more social media sites that I do use.